Hello guys, this is Dr. Salam and welcome back to Red English Lesson. In this video, I am going to give you a complete demonstration of how to change your wiper blades. I am using a Ford EcoSport. For that particular model. The wiper blade size is 16 inches and 22 inches. And if you are not sure about what is your wiper blade size, please do comment it in the comment section. I will surely help you out with that. And I got a new set of wiper blades today. After a quick unboxing of this particular wiper blades, I will go for the demonstration. So stay tuned till the end of the video. So now we will go for the quick unboxing of these wiper blades. I got it from Amazon actually. Their packaging is pretty decent and you don't need to worry about any break or any damage. Inside that plastic cover you will get a cardboard covering as well for the extra protection. Okay, now we will open that. Okay, here comes the wiper blades. The brand which I got today is Auto Furnish. These are actually frameless wiper blades. Usually I use Hella or Bosch wiper blades. Anyway, we will try out this brand as well. So as I mentioned earlier, these are the sizes 22 inches and 16 inches for EcoSport. If you are having any doubt on your particular car's wiper size, please do let me know in the comment section. Basically, it's a very easy setup. In EcoSport, it is a U-shaped rod, iron rod, and you can see a small hinge setup over here. Just tilt it like this and pull it down. See, it's as simple as that. And here comes the old wipers. Basically, one point is when you are maintaining a car, you should keep an eye on these wiper blades, because the contact surface of the wiper blade is made up of rubber. So in the long run it may break, brittle, or that will make some streak lines on your windscreen. So always keep an eye on it and change the wiper blades on time. Actually, this particular model that I got has a locking system. It is actually the exact opposite process. You need to keep it down and pull it upwards, and finally you need to lock it, and it is done. Now you can remove the covering. And repeat the process on the other side as well, and you are ready to go. If you guys like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to follow me on Instagram for the latest updates and notification. So till the next video, take care and bye bye.